Here I have a 2003 BMW 745i.
I'm at Brandon Reeves Auto World, Monroe, North Carolina. This is going to be a full in-depth tour of the BMW. Start it up, show the engine, and as many features as I can on the inside. This car has more electronic features than I could possibly count or imagine. So what I show today is pretty much just barely scratching the surface. Without further ado, we'll go ahead and start it up. A lot of y'all probably noticed that the seat moved up when you went in. Now, let's say you want to move back this specific area. Well, highlight that, move it back. I'm going to slide the actual bottom part itself. Just highlight that button and slide it. And if you want to move the back portion, alright. Lady Gaga. Foot on the brake, hit the button to go. Very nice. It's got a 4.4 liter V8. It's got 84,053 miles. Put it in drive, push the brake, hold the stalk down, pull it in reverse, pull this in a little bit, push it up. Parking sensors automatically come on. Push this in to park it. It's pretty simple. I'll turn on the headlights, hazards, and fog lights. Automatic windows. Hood. Like I said, it's a 4.4 liter, very quiet. LED tail lights. That's my camera making it flash, it's not actually doing that. It's got front and rear parking sensors. Has the matte wood finish. Control the sunshade back here. You can control the sunshades from just about anywhere in the car, which is a pretty nice feature. Alright, so let's try this iDrive system out a little bit. You can go back. I'm going to click down. This is the radio center. Click on weather band and whichever channel.
Lower 60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. Thursday night, showers likely until midnight, then a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the mid
Wings, pasta, chicken, steaks, fries, sausage, chili, and even spices up that wedding night.
Frank's Red Hot Sauce. I put that on everything.
Ace and TJ.
So together, like grilled.
Alright, so I'm going to click the wheel left and it'll take us to climate. And you can change it however way you want. It's got dual zone climate control. You can adjust the fan speed on the passenger and driver side. Go up, communication, your phone, navigation. Take us straight to map. And back down to entertainment. It's a pretty complicated system. It takes a little bit of time, but that's just a really, really quick basic intro. Yeah, just turn that off, so. Lock, unlock. Maximum air conditioning. Parking sensor controls are back there. Hit the keypad for your phone. Sounds great. Go ahead and shut it off. And I'll leave the power on. There we go. So you got your cup holders. Sunroof. I'm going to demonstrate how the sunshades work in the rear seat. Alright, to demonstrate the sunshades, you have 3 buttons located here. If you hit this one, you could bring up the rear. These other 2 are for each window. And they're automatic, you don't need to hold them down. So in essence, you can have some open, some not open. And that goes the same for the other side. Vanity mirror. So all of your aluminum trim along the doors. Perforated leather. Or heated seat controls. Got side airbags all over the place, obviously. Move this seat back a little bit. Same thing over here, you got memory seating, heated and cooled. Same adjustments as the driver's side. Seating magazine. magazine. And we're gonna shut it off, shut the power off at least. Simple as that. It's a really pretty body, in my opinion. Does have a power trunk. Generous amount of cargo area. Fuse. And your navigation disc. Hope everybody enjoyed the tour on the 2003 7 Series. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There'll be a whole lot more where that came from. Take care, guys.